Hi, subscribers and beautiful people out there in the world. Have you missed me? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that will make me make these videos a lot more, and I love making them. Okay, today we want to talk about building a quick groove that can really put you in a situation of creating good music. Are you with me? Press the subscribe button during the video. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, as you already might know, I work as a music producer from Sweden, and I work with many different artists in many different genres. And many of the times they say to me, "Hey Isaac, can you create something quick, something easy for us to develop our song on?" Yes, I can! And that's what I'm gonna do today. Try to build something very quick so that you get a feel of the thing you wanna have a feel on, and then take that to the next level and create a song out of that. Okay. Are you ready, me? Let's go. So, I have a drum kit here, and let's try to see what that can lead. Okay, let's see. Yep. Okay, so you might have noticed that I'm already in the zone of making, my zone of making. I honestly don't have any clue what this part is gonna turn up into, but I know that it's something in me that just needs to get out. So bear with me, it's gonna be better, hopefully. Okay, what else do we need? I guess this is some kind of groovy situation. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2. Okay. And what else? Let's go, clavinet. Do you love clavinet? I do. What's your favorite instrument? Put it in the comments. Let's discuss. Yeah? Okay. 70s funk clav. What could go wrong? Nothing. Okay. Let's try first. Okay. Okay. I don't feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Wow. Okay, that one. Let's try from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. That's really it. Yeah. Do you understand where this is going? I don't. Okay, let's try something else. We love horns. We do. We love horns. We do. As they say in the south of United States. Okay. Maybe soul section. Let's go. Okay. Let's take a couple of notes away. Let's talk about New Year's. Whoops, that I just sang on my New Year's Eve song. Why not sing that? Why not use that? Let's talk about New Year's Eve. Yeah. Okay, this song is about New Year's Eve. Let's copy these things. Okay. Are you ready? Let's go with a click. Let's talk about New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay, I don't know. Let's try. Let's talk about New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay, one more of this. New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, left, right, panning, just to separate these two. Let's talk about New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay. Okay. Let's try everything in together. Are you ready? Oh, let's talk about New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay, this is one of my ways building something quick for an artist to use in their situation so that they can really continue feeling this groove, feeling this beat, feeling this vibe, feeling this world that I'm in when I create this. I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you are having a lot of fun as well. So what's your ways of creating something quick, something unique, something fast for an artist to work on? Tell me and write it in the comments. And also make sure that you are able to become a member of the IWM channel, which includes more of these cool private sessions stuff and Q&As and studio tours and, you know, all these goodies things that are available. It can be yours if you join our membership program. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Are you ready? Let's talk about New Year's Eve. Can you believe when you believe with the people you love? Okay, until next time, be safe, take care, subscribe. All right, bye-bye.